You already figured out that just relying on product catalog campaigns isn't enough for steady ROAS. Your retargeting audience gets bored and fed up, so you need a fresh approach to engage potential customers and keep your campaigns thriving. Meta reports that video ads deliver the highest ROAS and perform 53% better for promotion. Therefore, in this video, we'll show you how to build winning top sellers video ads and how to launch and optimize sales campaigns. And don't worry about being time pressured to constantly update campaigns and creatives. By the end of this video, you'll already know how to use your spare time. To make the most engaging video ad, Hunch uses your product data from the DPA feed and lets you further experiment with other design elements. In the Creative Video Studio, you can build dynamic slideshows or custom video templates, making engaging visual stories. A perfect dynamic touch to your design would be animated call to actions that give out product information and build urgency among shoppers. Would be a shame if your killer video didn't have wide coverage. Scale it to different sizes to stand out in all the hot placements. You can strategically showcase specific product groups with Hunch Automated Filters. Select the best sellers from certain brands, categories, or other customer preferences, all while using insights from Google Analytics. When your video templates are ready to launch, Hunch gives you flexibility in organizing your campaign structure and targeting. There's no need to keep a constant watch on top-performing products or manually task designers to create new videos. It's all automated, allowing you to relax and focus on how to bring more value and revenue. Let's recap. Hunch helps you break free from traditional campaigns. You can build captivating video ads that engage your audience effortlessly, leading to lower costs, increased reach, and the ability to make enhanced variations for Advantage Plus shopping campaigns. Without Hunch, you'd be stuck with complex procedures, manual work, and missed opportunities. With Hunch, you maximize your resources and hit your revenue goals without overwhelming yourself and your team.